Hey, it's Chantel from William Wood right here. Today, I'm going to show you two different options for disassembling a finished pen. Having the ability to disassemble a pen is great for instances where you need to replace the barrels but want to salvage the pen parts. Maybe you'd like to redo the finish, repair a crack, or replace the barrels altogether. For this example, I'll be disassembling a slimline pen. I'll disassemble the first couple of parts using a set of disassembly transfer punches, and the rest with the pen assembly-disassembly press from PSI. The first step in disassembling a slimline pen is pulling off the top barrel by hand, unscrewing the refill, and removing the center band. And now we can move on to the punches. This disassembly transfer punch set comes with 25 sizes of rods, so you'll be able to find the appropriate size for pretty much any pen kit. The end of the rod is going to sit up against the edge of the part on the inside of the pen. You want to choose the largest size possible that your barrel will accommodate. If you use a rod that's too small, you run the risk of knocking the part out askew and damaging it. This one's a little too big. This one looks like a good fit. I'm going to start by removing the nib. So slide the rod into the barrel until you feel it catch the edge of that part. Then, with your hand gripped around the barrel, use a hammer to gently knock that part out. You'll need to readjust when necessary. Now, we'll disassemble the rest with the press. It comes with this reusable soft grip tubing to prevent the barrel and pen parts from scratching. Cut a piece long enough to cover the portion of the barrel that comes into contact with the clamp. I find it easiest to insert the soft grip tubing into the clamp first and then slide in the part. For a pen with a clip like this, make sure the clip is aligned with the slot in the clamp so that you aren't putting any pressure directly on the clip. Tighten down the clamp to hold the barrel in place firmly, being careful not to over-tighten. Again, go with the largest rod possible that still fits nicely into the barrel. Slide the sled up towards the head, then press down steadily until the part comes out of the tube. Follow the same steps for removing the transmission. Once all the pen parts have been removed, you can go ahead and repair, refinish, or replace your barrels.